Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. FlashFX market still does not understand the value of XRP. We're going to get into this article as Nicholas Steiger, the co-founder of FlashFX, an international money transfer platform making use of Ripple's ODL, has said despite the effort pulled by Ripple Inc. Labs, XRP is an undervalued digital asset. As an investor, many of us agree. The good news over the past year highlighted that the market still does not yet understand the value of XRP and what it's trying to do and achieve. Steiger made the note during an online AMA on XRP chat. FlashFX makes use of Ripple's ODL, a remittance solution dependent XRP token, to send money abroad using highly lower transaction rates compared to what SWIFT and other traditional financial institutions offer. The AMA was organized not long after Steiger was interviewed by prominent XRP crypto YouTuber Crypto Eddie. I have a lot of respect for Crypto Eddie. If you haven't seen her channel, check her out. It's worth following her, as she offers a different perspective, and she is located right in Japan, right in the heart of XRP territory, so to speak, with SBI and all the exciting things there. During the AMA, Steiger was questioned on several matters related to ODL. Interestingly, one XRP enthusiast asked whether XRP price would be set before adoption or the price increase slowly as adoption increases. Responding, the co-founder of FlashFX said it may not be possible for the price to be set in a free market and for Ripple to influence the price as widely discussed by some people. Steiger said he preferred a slow price increase as adoption of use cases grows, inferring that there's a link between the overall market environment and XRP token. All the good news over the past year highlighted that the market still does not yet understand the value of XRP and what it's trying to do and achieve, Steiger said. He revealed that he is pragmatic and can't be bothered to argue if XRP is now a centralized and decentralized coin, if it is really a crypto or not, or any other reason why people talk down XRP. The co-founder of the Australian-based remittance firm said he's only bothered about the use cases, the underlying technology, and the efficiency gains of XRP, among his other profitable characteristics, hence a FlashFX decision to make use of ODL. Steiger, when earlier asked the kind of growth expected of Ripple's ODL in the next 1 to 5 years, said there's a high expectation that RippleNet would be expanded to drive ODL's two-way flows to all available endpoints. On a B2B side, and our ability to process payments from RippleNet into Australia via NPP in real time, we're expecting to pinch a few high-profile contracts from bigger players who can only process same-day AUD settlement, he also added. Talking on the number of corridors expected to be active next year, the co-founder of the remittance firm said he thought it was possible to have 20 different send-receive endpoints by end of year in general. For us, we are connecting to any available ODL destination, and in the meantime, we'll partner with any available RippleNet participant for end of Q1. We will have 3 to 5 additional ones, and the pipeline for Q2 is filling up fast with interested parties wanting to connect to FlashFX. Also, we have Ripple partner Bitso could help fill, I'm going to read it as it is, guys, sorry, 37,200 million in remittance demand. The San Francisco-based Ripple has made some tremendous progress in terms of planning itself as a major player in the remittance market. As Ripple aggressively expands to new corridors, the U.S.-Mexico has been one of the most significant corridors for the blockchain firm. XRP MXN on the Mexican crypto platform, Bitso saw a steady trading activity since 2019. The volume spiked in the second week of September. Another spike propelled the figures to touch an all-time high of 14.5 million XRP this month. If you are viewing your screen, you will see the liquidity index for Bitso XRP MXN 28-day moving trend, showing massive gains and still reaching all-time highs with the chart. Bitcoin's drop in price in the last quarter of 2019 led to a decline in trade volumes across cryptocurrency exchanges. However, this did not have much impact on Bitso. This was revealed by Bitso CEO Daniel Vogel in a recent conversation with Messari's Ryan Selkis. He said, "In the last 7 months, when exchanges worldwide were losing volume, we were actually increasing our volume. This is because we have spent a long time building a remittance solution, and this is important as it goes back to crypto as a utility. It goes back to a business model where you don't necessarily depend on crypto prices increasing to do very well." According to the latest BBVA research, remittance to Mexico by 2020 could reach 37,200 million. In 2018, it represented 2.7% of the total GDP, highlighting the growing remittance in Mexico and the need for efficient solutions in this space, Vogel stated. In Mexico alone, you have 125 million people. Over 87 million of those are connected on smartphones, so these are internet-enabled devices. And yet you have under 40 million bank accounts in the country, and about 22 million of those bank accounts are bank accounts that people don't use. There's a ton of need in the region to have access to better financial services. And Bitso has been in the remittance game for a long time now, and the increase in the remittance market could significantly open new adventures for the platform. On the next article, we have another Swiss crypto exchange adds XRP on its platform. According to a press release published by the Smart VALOR crypto exchange, a Swiss company has added XRP to its trading platform. To date, the traders can use the token in tandem with the US dollar, the euro, the Swiss franc, and pound sterling. On Twitter, you have the Smart VALOR. On their page, XRP trading is now live on Smart VALOR Inc., allowing users to invest in a coin whose low-fee real-time transactions are turning heads of traditional financial institutions worldwide. Directly on their Twitter page. The choice of the trading service stopped at XRP due to the cryptocurrency rank based on market capitalization. According to the CoinMarketCap rating, besides transactions with Ripple's cryptocurrency are made at very low fees with an instant coin transfer. Note that transactions in the traditional banking sector are processed within a few days. Thus, XRP uniquely scales among modern digital assets. Because XRP trades with many currencies and with low fees, it is often cheaper to use the token to buy Mexican peso or the Japanese yen than it would be to exchange the Mexican peso directly for Japanese yen through traditional banking systems. The existing payment channel charges large fees for those conversions. This use case is especially important for small commercial banks that cannot afford to maintain access to a wide range of currencies. Given the growing institutional interest in using digital assets to break global barriers to currency swaps and payments, XRP will be a coin to view for future developments, and it will act as an addition to the Smart VALOR services. Ripple keeps working on expanding its ODL affiliate network, formerly called XRapid. In November 2019 alone, more than 20 companies joined it, including MoneyGram, GoLance, and V Americas. On-demand liquidity allows cross-border payments using XRP tokens. For 2019, the value of ODL transactions in US dollars has grown more than 100 times. The number of transactions in the ODL network has also increased. It increased by 390% during Q3 to Q4 2019. Recall that Ripple reported a sharp decline in sales of XRP tokens during the fourth quarter of 2019. According to the quarterly report, XRP sales fell by more than 80%. According to cryptocurrency data provider CryptoCompare, the average daily trading volume of XRP also decreased. In the fourth quarter of 2019, it amounted to 187.34 million USD. For comparison, in the third quarter of the same year, this indicator was at the level of 198.1 million USD, and the second quarter at the level of 429.51 million. Note that the company has been using CryptoCompare indices since June last year. Before that, Ripple worked with the data of the CoinMarketCap service, but for a more efficient accounting, the company decided to change the data provider. On the screen is a XRP price and volume chart. If you're unable to view your screen, and then back into the article, we have the volatility of the XRP rate has also decreased. According to the report, the volatility of daily XRP was 3.1% in the fourth quarter. At the same time, this indicator was at a level of 3.6% in the third quarter. The yield volatility of XRP is comparable to the volatility of Bitcoin 3.0 and Ethereum 3.1%. We're going to finish off this article with, there is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve: the fear of failure. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. And we will catch you in the next one.